Good morning, guys. It is March 10th. This is the first weekly update for the fourth month of the acne.org monthly updates. Yeah, so it's March 10th, and as you can see, I have 2 dots on my face. If you watched my last update video, I was telling you guys that I'm not gonna stop using the Clearasil 10% benzoyl peroxide vanishing acne treatment. And so I just washed my face not too long ago. Like, I just moisturized like 5-10 minutes ago, and after that I just put the spot treatment on 2 pimples around my face. This wasn't like that big. It wasn't really that serious for me to like put something there, but I just wanted to because I'm just extra. But this I actually like woke up with, and that was because I fell asleep in my makeup last night. That was a big no. I shouldn't have, but I was super tired. But as you can see, my face is still pretty clear. I'm looking at myself in the camera, not y'all, so don't feel away. But everything still seems to be in order besides the 2 pimples. This really wasn't that serious to put something on, but I was just like, it's just the idea of something growing in the middle of my eyebrows. It's just like, okay, no, that's not gonna happen. Otherwise, I do have some slight stuff going on here, but not enough to like put some stuff on. Actually, this was a thing like a few days ago, but they're healing. And yeah, sleeping my makeup last night didn't really help matters because it could come back, but for the most part, my face is like 90% clear. We're gonna work on those dark spots though. Okay, so my hair is going through things, so don't mind that. That's not what this is about, obviously. It's been so freaking long since I came back with an update. I'm so sorry. Coming back with another update, obviously. It is March 23rd. I believe it's the 23rd, I'm not sure. And this is what my face looks like. I just put the treatment on, so my face is pretty stiff and stuff, as you can see. Oh, that's sweat. That's disgusting. And I have a shadow. I'm actually a man. As you can see, I do have some pimples on this cheek. This cheek has been a little bit rough this month because I started getting a couple pimples here and there last week, and now it's turned into this. But I'm not really stressed about it because I just started my period a couple days ago. So obviously around your menstrual period, it's typical that you break out a little bit, which I'm happy because, you know, before around my period, I would have like quite a few pimples around my face. But for the most part, it's only been this cheek, and it's not even that bad. I've been struggling a little bit, not gonna lie. There are a couple days where a couple of nights actually, where I don't wash my face, only because it's either I have a makeup wipe and I just wipe everything, and I think that's like suffice enough, or I'm just like not in the mood to get up and like wash my face because I'm so tired. So that's not an excuse, obviously, but for what it is, for not washing my face some nights and like being on my period, this isn't bad, and it's gonna disappear soon because every time I put a lot more treatment on that area, it kind of goes down. But this is like the rest of my face. I had a pimple situation a couple days ago here. You'd see that, right? That white thing. It's turned into like a small little thing where I can just like take off. Before it was like an actual pimple, which is weird because I've never broken out under my chin before. So that was like odd when I was like washing my face and like my thumb just like brushed that area, and I was just like, is that a bump? That's so weird. It reminded me of that time where I broke out like a lot, like in this area, like a beard area. Like, it was really bizarre because I've never broken out there before, but it's fine because it's almost gone. This is my bare face. Again, I haven't put the moisturizer on. I only have put the treatment on, so my whole face is stiff and dry looking, and these are what the pimples look like. I'm not really sure how to like show you guys the progress of my dark spots though, because I have been putting it on, obviously. It's just that like I haven't been taking pictures, so it's not like I can have like the first day of this month, this is what my dark spots look like, and then like how they look like now. Like, to me they look the same, but obviously they do, because if you see your face every day, it's hard to see like change. It's just like your hair, like your hair will always look short to you, but like if you take pictures in say January in the beginning of this year, and then like by the end of the year, like you're obviously going to see a difference unless your hair is just damaged and it just doesn't grow. I still need suggestions for like sunscreen though, because sunscreen, because like, you know, the sun being down in your dark spots can make your dark spots darker, so that's like counterintuitive to what I'm actually trying to do. So like if you have any suggestions for sunscreen for acne prone skin, please let me know because I really need it. Like before the acne.org regimen, it was very hard for me to like find moisturizers that didn't break me out, and I've yet to find a sunscreen that never broke me out. Like I've been trying to buy sunscreens from the drugstore, they all break me out. Moisturizers, the only moisturizer I ever could use consistently that never broke me out was the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. You can get it at the drugstore. It's from the Clean and Clear brand. It has like some percentage of salicylic acid. Maybe that's why I never broke out from it, but that's the only moisturizer I used before this system because it's cheap, it never broke me out, and it was really good on my skin. The other moisturizer I've used, do you hear that motorcycle? Ugh. The only other moisturizer I've used that never broke me out was like something from Lush. I think it was called the Vanishing Cream or something like that, but that's money. Like I remember that cost me a lot of freaking money. I don't even remember how much it cost. I think it was like not $100, but it was like under $100, and it cost so much, and I was just like, nah, I can't consistently buy this. Plus it's in like a small pot. I made it last because like what the frick, but like I didn't repurchase it because even though I really liked it, like it costs a lot of money. Like no. But yeah, this is my face. I don't know if this is considered natural lighting. I mean, I turned on all my lights in my bathroom except for the one for the vent, so I'm trying to give y'all angles here. I don't know what these white spots are. I think that's from my treatment. Ignore the white spots in my face. I'm not sure what those are, but yeah. This may look very bad to you, but I promise you that these are not pimples. They're very smooth. Nothing's happening here except for here. Here's the only place on my face that has bumps and pimples and stuff like that. Everything else is clear except for the spots on my face, which I'm trying to get rid of. So far, so good. I would still consider this month a really good month because again, around my period, I can't control that, you know, like I'll always break out around my period. I'm just happy that it's not like a lot at this point. Plus I haven't really been excellent at like washing off my face every night, so the fact that it's only like a couple bumps, especially this one, like this red one's pissing me off, but I also consider it a win. So this is what I look like. Hey guys, it seems like it's been forever since I've actually had a conversation. It is April, I want to say it's the 16th. It's a Monday, and as you can see, having some twists in. I'm gonna make a video, I think, maybe about it, but I don't know. It feels like it's been a while since I actually like came and like said some stuff about like my skin, my hair in general. The semester is winding down, so I haven't had that much time to like edit and like make videos in general. So yeah, this is like gonna go into the at this point, I'm not even too sure if this is gonna be like all into like 1 month of an update for my acne or like the month of March and April, because I haven't made videos, and because it's halfway through April already, I kind of feel like it'd be weird to just like make the update for just March, because we're already halfway through this month of April, and I haven't even recorded the acne update video yet, so you might not see this till the end of the month. Sorry. There isn't that much to report. My skin has been doing extremely well. I haven't broken out on this side at all in like, I don't even know how long. I have broken out here a couple of times, but that was all due to because I wasn't washing my face a couple nights because out of laziness and like tiredness and blah blah blah. But besides that, my skin has really been doing extremely well. Even when I had the breakouts here, like once I went back to doing my regular routine and everything like that, it faded away like that. Like honestly, acne.org is coming through for your girl. Oh my god. The only thing that is still a problem obviously is the dark spots. Dark spots are still my main concern. I'm still using the AHA treatment, so obviously you're not going to see results for that very soon, so I'm still going to wait and need to still use it obviously for a few months and see where that gets me. I should really get into the habit of taking pictures, I think, because I think pictures more so than just like videos every couple weeks, I'll be able to see more of a difference. For me, it's like I look at my face every day and I still just see the dark spots. I don't really see if there's ever been any like improvement. But that's a very quick update. Not much to talk about. Still using the same thing I've been using: the cleanser, the treatment, the moisturizer I repurchased because I was on the lookout for another moisturizer, but because I wasn't really getting anywhere. I just repurchased it because I was running out anyway. So definitely when this is done, maybe by that time I'll have like a whole other moisturizer ready to repurchase. Not repurchase, but like to purchase, to be in place of the acne.org moisturizer, because I don't want to be a slave to the product, even though, like, you know, obviously it's doing my skin very well, but I also just don't want to have to depend on it. Like, God forbid acne.org runs out of business or something, like I'm gonna have to use something else, you know. So I want to be able to like use other products. I know that sounds really bad, because if I find something good, like, I should just stick with it, but like, you know, I just want to try something new. And I already talked about what I didn't like about the moisturizer in my last acne update, so if you haven't seen that, I'll link it above at some point in this video. So yeah, hopefully I can come back to you guys with content and this update, because I don't know when you guys are going to see this. I really have so much work to do. The semester is almost over. 3 more weeks. Hopefully y'all will see me soon. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's been forever. It's been really long since I've talked to you guys. You've just seen the few videos that I've recorded over the span of 3 months, just talking about my face. It's pretty sad how there's so few for how long I've been gone. You would have thought that I would have recorded a lot more, but me being me, I only recorded very few. But as you can see from the videos, my face is exponentially better than how it looked back in December/January, and I'm very happy about that. Obviously I have a couple breakouts here and here and here, but I'm about to start my period, so that makes sense. I feel like I'll always break out around my period. Anyone else drink yogurt? Like, it's like a drink when they're too lazy to like get a spoon. So I don't know if I'm gonna make like a mid-year update in terms of just like how my life has been and all that other kind of stuff, because I kind of feel like I have to like explain why I've been gone since March. Oh wow, that voice crack. Oh, puberty. I feel like I have to explain why I've been gone since March, because I had never planned on taking a break. I had never planned on like not uploading videos for like a long time. Like, if I don't upload every week, I usually at least upload twice a month. So me not being able to upload since March is really like giving me some kind of anxiety. I'm new to this YouTube game, obviously. I don't have that many subscribers, although I'm very grateful for the ones that have subscribed and watched and everything like that. But I obviously do want to like get better at this YouTube situation, and me being gone so early in the game is obviously not good. So we're gonna have to change some things, you know what I'm saying? To address the elephant in the room, I did get my hair twisted up. I have a whole lot of new growth. I'm not gonna like zoom in because my hair is dirty. So these are actually going to come out this Wednesday. This Thursday is going to come out. Today is Monday, so this Wednesday will make it 6 weeks. But yeah, this is about my face, obviously. There's not much to like really talk about in terms of just like products, because you obviously know what products I'm using. I use the acne.org regimen. I'll link the videos that I have associated with that and the other monthly updates down below. They've been doing my face very well. I really don't know if you've seen any difference in terms of just like my hyperpigmentation, aka my dark spots. To me, I feel like there's been a slight change. I feel like they're not as dark as they used to be, but that could just be my mind playing tricks on me, or me being optimistic or something like that. I don't know. My face is doing really well. I can't really say much about it. So far, I'm very pleased with the results. If you have not tried acne.org, I highly suggest it. I feel like it's done my skin wonders. I am way more confident now than I've ever been in terms of my skin. I mean, I've always been somewhat confident about my skin. Like, I mean, I've never really liked the pimples on my face, obviously, but I've never really been depressed about my skin being the way it was. But ever since like really clearing it out, I've really been feeling myself. Just to be honest, I've been really feeling myself. And if you haven't tried it, at least try this. And I really stand by what it does for your skin. Like, I think it really does your skin very well. Eventually I would like to try other things, but it's kind of like a tricky thing, because the reason why my skin has cleared up is because when I started using this regimen. So it's just kind of like, okay, well, if I stop using it, will I really maintain this skin if I needed those products to begin with? I don't know. I'm trying to maintain, or not maintain, because I don't really have it right now to maintain, but like I want to acquire a healthier lifestyle in terms of just diet and like working out. I guess you can't really tell. I'm wearing workout gear, you know, wearing workout clothes. I really want to get into like working out and like lifestyle. I've joined the gym more than 6 months ago, and I try to go every week. Sometimes I don't. The past couple months I have been really failing at that. But yeah, I really want to like work out, do well, put good things into my body so that my skin can reflect that, you know. I want to come to a point where I don't have to depend on these products to maintain this clear skin, and you know, because I live a healthy lifestyle. So that's really just what I'm saying. Anyway, I don't know if this is really like an acne update or it's like an update about like my health or whatever the fuck, but all I'm saying is that I'm back, hopefully for a long time. I want to, you know, continue to make videos and stuff like that because I do find it fun to like watch myself on a platform, because that's like really weird. I don't know, I like to put myself out there, you know. I like this whole thing, so I want to continue it, and I'm glad that y'all are still subscribed, because I didn't lose any subscribers while I was gone, which is really crazy. I actually gained like 2, so that's pretty nuts. So thank y'all for watching, and I hope to see you guys